Hello everyone. I've spent so much time on understanding this immunoprecipitation thing, and many of us, I think, even if I understand something, sometimes the article writers they write something wrong, and then we spend a lot of time. We waste a lot of time. So here I wanna show you how to interpret co-immunoprecipitation data. So the example article of us is this molecular mechanism underlying the synergistic effect of jasmonate, blah blah. Okay. So in the immunoprecipitation thing, here it's strongly written that HA antibody bound agarose beads are used. I think MIC antibody bound agarose beads are used, and I checked it with the protocol and I saw it's the case. So here we see the immunoprecipitation part, and here is the input part. What does input mean? Input means the control. This is what enters to the reaction. Without immunoprecipitation, what we have at the beginning is input. Okay. How is immunoprecipitation done? I am sure you know about it. If you're not, watch a YouTube video. There, we express two things that are antibody tagged in the same cell, and then destroy the cell and use agarose beads with antibodies to get one of these proteins. And in the fraction, then we do examine if the other protein is found or not by using blotting with the antibody of the second protein. Okay, here we have the marker, just showing the molecular weight of the protein. For this experiment, they put these two different constructs in the same cell, in the same tissue. It's Bantamina nicotine plant is used. Sorry, I forgot the name, tütün in Turkish. And this plant is used, and then we express these two constructs. Then with MIC antibodies, we pulled ABI3, and if GFP was also pulled, then we have to see it here because we have HA antibodies and HA is bound to GFP, but it's not the case. Whereas JAS1 protein, since it interacts with ABA3, when we get only MIC containing proteins, this HA JAS1 stop share. Okay, HA JAS1 thing also comes. So we see this protein here. And in the input, since we add these two, when we use MIC antibody, we see this protein. And when we use HA antibody, we see this protein GFP. Also the same for here. And here they examine whether JAS5 interacts with ABI3 when they get MIC containing proteins and use HA antibody. Then they have a band corresponding to JAS5, as you see. And in the input, you see whatever enters. And here you can see like GFP, molecular weight of GFP is lower than the molecular weight of JAS5. What I don't what I don't understand here, whether this band represents only JAS5 molecular weight, or is it both proteins together? I don't know this. Okay. This is it, folks. See you later.